Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. No office, no boss, no traditional job, just a laptop, an internet connection, and artificial intelligence working for you in the background. Right now, millions of people around the world are quietly using AI to build online income streams. Some are making a few $100s a month, others are making thousands, and some have built entire businesses around it. But here's the surprising truth. Most people still think AI is just a chatbot or something you use for fun. They don't realize that AI is quickly becoming one of the most powerful money-making tools in history. And the people who learn how to use it early often gain the biggest advantage. Think about the early days of the internet. Back in the late 1990s and early 2000s, many people ignored the internet. They thought it was just a trend, something temporary. But the few who understood its potential built websites, online stores, and digital businesses that later turned into million-dollar companies. The same thing happened with social media. When platforms like Instagram and YouTube first appeared, most people used them just for entertainment. But some creators saw an opportunity. They started posting content consistently, growing audiences, and eventually turning those audiences into income through ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Today, many of those creators make more money than people working traditional jobs. Now the world is entering another shift, and that shift is artificial intelligence. AI is changing how content is created, how businesses operate, and how people earn money online. The biggest opportunity right now is not just using AI, but combining AI with creativity and smart strategy. One of the simplest ways people are making money with AI today is through content creation. Every day, billions of people watch videos online. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are constantly looking for new content to show their users. But creating videos used to take a lot of time and effort. You needed to write scripts, record yourself on camera, edit footage, design thumbnails, and manage uploads. Now AI can help with almost every step. You can ask AI to generate a compelling script for a video. Within seconds, it can turn an idea into a structured story. Then AI voice tools can convert that script into natural sounding narration. Some voices sound so realistic that viewers can't even tell the difference between AI and a human speaker. Visual generation tools can create images, animations, and backgrounds to match the story. And editing software powered by AI can automatically arrange clips, add subtitles, and enhance audio. This means someone can create an entire YouTube video without showing their face, without recording their voice, and without expensive equipment. Many faceless YouTube channels are built this way. They focus on storytelling, history, finance, motivation, technology, or mysterious real-life events. Once a channel grows and reaches monetization requirements, YouTube starts placing ads on the videos. Every time viewers watch those ads, the creator earns a small amount of money. And when thousands or millions of people watch, that income can grow quickly. But content creation is only one path. Another powerful opportunity lies in AI freelancing. Businesses everywhere are trying to adapt to the AI era, but many of them don't know how to use these tools effectively. This creates a massive demand for people who understand AI workflows. For example, small businesses need help writing marketing content, creating advertisements, generating product descriptions, and designing promotional graphics. AI tools can assist with all of these tasks. A freelancer who understands how to combine different AI tools can offer services that save businesses time and money. Platforms like freelance marketplaces allow anyone with internet access to offer services to clients from around the world. Some freelancers start by charging small amounts for simple tasks, but as they gain experience and build a portfolio, they increase their prices and attract bigger clients. Many freelancers eventually turn their skills into full agencies. Another growing opportunity is AI blogging. Search engines process billions of searches every day. People are constantly looking for information, solutions, reviews, and guides. When someone creates a website filled with useful articles, search engines can send visitors to that site. AI writing tools can assist with brainstorming ideas, structuring articles, and improving clarity. Of course, the most successful bloggers don't rely completely on automation. They review and refine the content, add personal insights, and focus on providing real value to readers. Once a website begins receiving traffic, it can generate income through advertisements, affiliate marketing, and partnerships with brands. Some websites eventually grow into large digital assets worth thousands or even millions of dollars. Another fascinating area where AI is creating opportunities is digital product creation. In the past, creating a digital product such as an ebook, template, or online course required significant effort. Now AI can help brainstorm topics, outline lessons, design graphics, and assist with writing. People create guides about productivity, business, fitness, language learning, or specialized skills. Once the product is ready, it can be sold repeatedly online. This means a single piece of work can generate income again and again over time. Another interesting trend is print-on-demand businesses powered by AI design tools. AI image generators can create unique artwork and patterns. These designs can be placed on products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and phone cases. When someone orders the product from an online store, a printing company produces the item and ships it directly to the customer. The creator doesn't need to store inventory or handle shipping. They simply earn a portion of the sale. But perhaps one of the most powerful uses of AI is automation. Many businesses perform repetitive tasks every day, responding to emails, organizing data, scheduling appointments, managing customer inquiries. AI automation tools can connect different systems together and perform these tasks automatically. For example, an automated system might capture customer information from a website form, send a personalized email response, add the data to a spreadsheet, and notify the business owner. What used to take hours of manual work can now happen instantly. People who understand automation workflows can offer valuable services to businesses that want to become more efficient. Some automation specialists charge thousands of dollars to build custom systems for companies. But here's an important point that many beginners overlook. AI itself doesn't magically create wealth. It's simply a tool. Just like a camera doesn't automatically make someone a successful filmmaker, and a computer doesn't automatically make someone a successful programmer, the real value comes from how the tool is used. The people who earn money with AI usually share certain habits. They experiment with different ideas, they learn new tools quickly, they focus on solving problems for others. And most importantly, they take action instead of waiting for the perfect moment. In the beginning, the results may be small. A new YouTube channel might get only a few views. A new freelance profile might receive only a few messages. A new website might get only a handful of visitors, but consistency compounds over time. Each piece of content becomes part of a larger library. Each skill learned becomes another advantage. Each project completed builds experience and confidence. Eventually, those small steps start creating momentum. Many successful online entrepreneurs often say the same thing. The hardest part wasn't the technology, it was simply starting. AI has lowered the barrier to entry for many industries. Tasks that once required entire teams can now be performed by individuals using intelligent tools. This means that a single person with creativity, curiosity, and persistence can build something remarkable. Right now, we are still in the early stages of the AI revolution. New tools appear almost every month. Capabilities continue to expand. What seems impressive today may become ordinary tomorrow, and that creates an interesting opportunity. The people who explore these tools today are building experience that will become extremely valuable in the future. 5 years from now, AI knowledge may be as important as basic computer skills are today. Some people will look back and wish they had started earlier. Others will be glad they took the time to learn and experiment while the opportunity was still new. Because in every technological revolution, the biggest rewards often go to those who recognize the shift early and position themselves ahead of the crowd. So the question isn't whether AI will change how people make money. That change is already happening. The real question is, will you watch the transformation from the sidelines, or will you learn how to use these tools and build something of your own? Because somewhere out there right now, someone with the same resources, the same internet connection, and the same 24 hours in a day is using AI to create an opportunity. And the next success story in the AI era could belong to anyone bold enough to start.